Okay, so I'm back and let's start. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel and this is your friend Ankita. So I'm shooting after some time now, after a few days. I'm shooting a makeup video especially after a few days time because I was not really well. I'm still recovering. So yeah, nothing major, छोटा मोटा चलता रहता है life में. Anyway, so finally I'm shooting a makeup video. I was really also waiting for my pimples to go away. They are better now. This is healing and my skin here, I think it's better. So yeah. So finally today I will be talking about a new foundation which is pretty old in the market, but people are in love with that foundation. Mostly I have heard only good reviews about it, and I thought it's time now for us to review this foundation. So let's begin this video now. Time for the reveal. It's this Fit Me foundation by Maybelline that I'm going to be reviewing today. My shade number is 220. It also says natural beige, and it might be a little light on me right now because I'm not really sure if it will be light or what, but I'm going through a little dull skin period, so I'm not sure if it's gonna match me exactly, but I think it's still workable. So yeah, so this foundation comes for 500 rupees in the market. I think it is for 500 rupees, and you also get a pump with it, but I bought it I think just a month before they introduced the pump in this foundation, so mine is still the old bottle. But if you buy it now, or if you would have already bought it I think 2-3 months back, you would have got this with a pump. So having a pump in a 500 rupees foundation is so cool, I feel. Even if you go and buy a MAC foundation, you would have to pay extra to get that pump. So yeah, I think it's a great deal that with 500 rupees you get that pump. You don't have to just struggle in taking out this foundation, and it's really easy. This also comes with a glass bottle. You can easily spot the color here. The shade name is written here, and it is a rotating cap here, so that's how it is. I think it is also easy to carry because it is a small bottle. Nothing too crazy complicated about it. Pretty simple, straightforward foundation we've got here. So mostly if you buy this foundation, you do get a validity of 3 years. I can say that right now because I've got this detail over here, and it also has a price. Yes, it was 500 rupees. Now, talking about the skin type, I think this foundation is great for oily skin. Now, Maybelline also comes up with different kinds of foundation that are good for dry skin and other skin types. It also has a foundation, I think, of 300 rupees. So it does cater to different kind of audiences. This, I think, is a general favorite foundation. This is called the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, which is for normal to oily skin. So if you have pores or if you have whiteheads and blackheads, I think this foundation will suit you definitely. However, if you have dry skin, this may not be there for you. But yes, there are other foundations in Maybelline that you can opt for, or you can also apply this with some extra moisturizer on your face. So that's about the skin type, the price, the bottle. And let me tell you one more very important thing. So I got this I think few months back. It's few months, 6-7 months old foundation lying with me, but I've just used it I think twice or thrice maximum. So I still don't have exact review about it. So I'm also gonna find out things about this foundation, how workable it is, how great it is, and why is it so famous with you guys only in this video. But one thing what I can say is why this is really popular, because on Nykaa I was checking, this foundation comes up with 18 colors. So the price is not that much, and what they're offering is pretty decent. So even though it's a drugstore brand and you're just paying 500 rupees, you get a dispenser with it and you get 18 shades to choose from. And I was also checking the shade range. It does offer pretty light shades, but I think I could not see a really dark brown shade in this foundation, which I think can be a negative point for people who have dark skin tones. But if you are a fair to wheatish person, wheatish or dusky, you're gonna find great deal of shades in this foundation, which I think makes it a plus point for the average Indian girl. But yes, you may not find it if you're really dark skin toned person. So that's one negative point I could just instantly spot on the shade ranges. However, it is still great. You still get 18 shades to choose from, so that's a really big plus point comparing to its other competitors like Lakme or maybe like Faces. Yeah, so that's one thing. Now Sugar is another a great brand that offers great foundation. I've also reviewed Sugar foundation, but it comes with a price of 1,000 rupees. So if you're a college person or if you don't want to invest a lot, I think spending 500 rupees is great with this foundation. Now finally I'm going to apply this foundation on my face. I'll be using a sponge on this side and a brush on this side to show you how this foundation works on my skin tone. So I've dyed my hair, and you must also do so before doing any sort of makeup. And I've just applied a moisturizer on my face, and I keep saying it, moisturizer is so important if you're using any kind of makeup. And even if you're not using any kind of makeup, even if you have super oily skin, do apply a gel based moisturizer. So yeah, that's one disclaimer for this video. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush, and the number is P55. This comes with an angle bristles, just telling. I really like this brush for the foundation. So I'm gonna use this on the right side of my face, which has all these acne marks. So I wish I had bought this little later, and I would have got the pump also, so that I wouldn't have faced such kind of miserable situations. So I've put on a lot of foundation on my hand. Okay, koi nahi. So let's begin. I am so happy today. I'm basically, applying makeup after lot of days, like lot of days, and I'm just feeling better with putting makeup on. I love makeup. So I think the shade is matching me still, even though I have a dull skin right now. It seems decent to me. Let's apply this on the neck as well. So just gonna blend in and see how great this foundation is. I think it's a great foundation. You can see how easily it has covered all these spots. Wow, I swear guys, I wasn't expecting anything right now, but I'm just really impressed. Wow. Now I know why people are crazy about this one. You get good medium coverage, and I think if you don't have a lot of issues on your skin, you can skip a concealer, not a concealer but a color corrector. You just saw guys, right? I mean, how many acnes, how many spots I had, and it's great, like magic. Okay, so one side is done using a brush, and I'm really happy with the result. And now I'm gonna apply it on the other side using this sponge here. So let's see how well it hides this one. So this is a medium to high coverage foundation. It is buildable. So if you want a high coverage, you can always go for the second layer as well. Or if you have less time, you can just use a brush instead of the sponge, and you will get a better coverage with just one layer itself, because brush always gives a better coverage. So just blend it nicely when you're using a sponge, and I think it's done. I think it's quite blendable foundation. That's one thing I realized today. जो अभी तक जब मैंने यूज़ किया, नेवर रियली थॉट अबाउट इट, बट इट इज़ अ ब्लेंडेबल फाउंडेशन. आई थिंक इवन इफ यू use your fingers, you will get a good coverage and you'll be able to blend it very easily. Because even using the brush, it got blended very easily, and with sponge also, it's, I think, almost done. It just took me what, 3 minutes maximum, not even 3, I think 2 minutes. Yeah, so it's almost done. I'm just gonna give a little extra blend for a better finish. So finally, I've applied the foundation on my face with brush on this side and sponge on this side. I'm pretty happy. You know, you can see this pimple also, it has hidden just without, I have not used anything else, by the way, just a moisturizer. And if you're going to use a primer, it will definitely give a better effect, and with concealer and color corrector, even more better. So it's nice. So let me just finish my makeup and we are gonna sum up the pros and cons of this foundation, and yeah, I'll be back. So friends, I'm back and my makeup is completed successfully, and let us sum up the pros and cons of our Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Where is it? Yeah, here it is, the foundation of the day, Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. इधर से भी देख लो आप लोग मेरा face, which is, I am sure you must have noticed all these acne marks and all, which is just gone with this foundation. Really happy. No filter at all. Yeah, that's how it is. So summing it up, let's start with our pros now. Pros number 1 is that you can easily get this foundation from any online website, from any store, from just wherever you want to buy it from. So Maybelline is one such brand which is available very easily. Pros number 2 is that this foundation costs only 500 rupees. Wow, 500 rupees mein ye foundation, it's really good, huh? Pros number 3, that it comes with a pump now, but if you have bought it 6-7 months earlier, you may not get that pump. I mean, you would not have that pump with you, right? But now if you buy this, you will get a pump in this 500 rupees worth foundation. Pros number 4 is that this is a medium coverage foundation, which is easily buildable, so you can get your high coverage party wear foundation look as well with this. Fourth pros of this foundation. Pros number 5, that you get 18 shades with this foundation, so there are a lot of range, especially if you are a fair to a wheatish person. You will definitely get your shade. No matter what undertone you are, you will get your shade. But if you are on a darker side, if you have a darker skin, you will, I think, not get that. So yeah, keeping in mind that till dusky tones it serves pretty well, I think we can add it to our pros. And finally, the pros number 6, the quality of this foundation is really good, especially with the price you pay. You get a really good quality of foundation. You do not need to use any color corrector to hide your marks or anything like that. I think if you experience mild to moderate dark under eyes also, you may not really need a concealer or a corrector to hide them off. This foundation will do its job pretty well in that case. So now these are 6 pros of this foundation, and let's move on to the cons now. I think the con of this foundation is, of course, that it does not serve darker skin tones. That is, if you are really dark skin tones, I could not find any shade, at least on the Nykaa website. Let me know if there are, and if correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I think that is number 1 con of this foundation. And con number 2 is that it's not for drier skin type. So if you have a dry skin, this foundation may not work for you, but you definitely would get some other options in Maybelline, and there are some other foundations as well. It's not really a con, but still, just for the sake of it, I'm adding it. It's not for all skin types. So yeah, so these were 6 pros versus 2 cons. So today I'm going to score this foundation on a scale of 5. I would give it 4.5, especially with the cost and the product that I'm getting. I think this is a great foundation. 4.5 out of 5. You must try this foundation, and I really loved it. I was seriously not expecting that I would love it that much, but I really love it because, you know, just look here, man. Well, you guys saw it, huh? When I was applying it, just one stroke, it just went off. So yeah, so that was my video for today, guys. I hope you liked it. Please let me know how do you find this video. You can write in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. Support me, and we'll meet you with another video really soon. Until then, take care. Bye.